Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Abdul Rab and I am contesting the elections of the Council from South Zone. At present, I am the member of the Regional Committee of the Institute and serving as Honorary Secretary. Related to my services to the Institute, I have been the elected member of SRC for the 2 consecutive terms, honored twice to be its Chairman, Secretary and CPD Convener. Related to my professional experience, I served the 2 international networks in Pakistan, that is Deloitte and Ernst & Young, over 20 years of service. My basic skill set is in financial advisory and consulting. At present, I am a managing director of an advisory firm operating in Pakistan. You can see my profile and experience on the screen. To me, these elections are unprecedented times, which at least I have not seen in my life. This has been coupled with international and local challenges. The motivating factor for me to contest these elections is to give back to the profession and the community, particularly the underprivileged students, and to support the members from my experience. I have a very simple vision, which is to help the members succeed. It is not in the stars to hold our destiny, but in ourselves, as said by William Shakespeare. Over my past 25 years of professional association, I have seen gradual transformation. And now, with the recent pandemic, there have been exponential technological changes which has transformed the entire global landscape in every discipline of life. Online education classes, business Zoom calls, rapid advancement in e-commerce, flourishing of startups, digital banking, robotics, data science, blockchain, work from home are the new norms of the world, and this is not the end. All of this has transformed the way of doing business, technological shift, and has changed the economic boundaries. The above has a corresponding effect on our profession while raising the bar high for the professionals, both in industry and profession, to adopt new norms and equip themselves with new traits. Additionally, the professions also have to address the constant change in the laws, rules and regulations, enhanced compliance requirements, and for which continuous and relevant CPD is essential. On the local front, the consistent pressure on our currency, poor social indicators with a significant deficit on health and education spending, FATF challenges, and uncertain geopolitical situation. All of this has put a significant pressure on the development of the profession and our global outlook in the international networks. Now, the point to ponder is, will this be sustainable, or are we taking the right steps for the internal capacity building, training the youth, creating world-class employment, and equipping the local teams to deliver world-class professional services? I understand a lot is yet to be done. ICAP to date is one of the best managed institutions, and its members across the globe are well versed with these challenges. However, there is a need for a focus and time-bound effort to have future roadmap to combat the challenges ahead. To improve is to change. To be perfect is to change often, as said by Winston Churchill. Can you please flip the slides for me? Keeping in mind the 3 priorities of investment in training, education and technology, I consider the action should be based on the following parameters. Work on strategy so as to have a concrete 2030 strategy for the Institute. I consider that in the present state of challenge, a comprehensive document is essential. The same should be developed considering the local challenges and international scenario. Medium and long-term goals should be defined as a conclusion of this exercise with a clear roadmap, action steps and annual goals. Fast embracement of technological changes, for instance, setting up a digital lab to support the members for technology needs and quick solutions. Consolidation of SMP through master framework agreements, facilitation of sharing common technology platform, also having a center of excellence for technical support would create an impact. Expansion in professional services beyond assurance and tax services, create awareness and will support related changes in the law for broadening the partnership base. Promoting gender equality, thereby support the increased intake of female CA trainees and imparting focused training in IT and data sciences as an encouragement to increase their employment probability. Inculcate the leadership qualities in the trainees, new members by offering world-class orientation and motivational sessions. Support annual review of CA curriculum for regular updates and to maintain pace with global trends. I will also support the concept of ICAP University or Accounting School of Excellence under a JV or PPP mode. Capacity building for the members, ensuring robust CPD plan in place, including availability of online training courses for the present members who has to ensure availability of the world-class courses. This will help keeping themselves up to date with the latest developments and challenges. Considering launching of an online career counseling program, thereby making an effective use of digital media with gradual elevation to a digital educational challenge. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world, as said by Nelson Mandela. Integration of overseas members network, creating a common online networking platform for better connectivity. There may be country-wide pages for knowledge share and question answers. This will also help the local members and transform the CAPK community into a true global network. Regional committees can also be mobilized for this. Improving ties with the international institutes and reciprocity recognition of PKCA qualification worldwide. This should be more actively pursued with an objective to create more opportunities for the members and enhancement of CA Pakistan brand. I am confident with the support of peers and membership at large, the new council will be able to work on the above, as we all have enough rationale to embrace the change for our future generation. The measure of intelligence is the ability to change, Albert Einstein. Last, I know the green bulb is on. I cannot change the world alone, but I can cast a stone across the water to create many ripples. Mother Teresa. In the end, I would like to wish all the members of ICAP success in all their present and future endeavors with good health. I am closing it with a note from Allama, Dil se jo baat nikalti hai asar rakhti hai, par nahi taqat-e parwaz magar rakhti hai. Thank you and all the best. Assalamu alaikum.